darting through the trees. Flashing hues of blue and red, and wings that flutter with ease. Their tiny bodies, full of life. As they flit from branch to branch, a symphony of chirps and tweets. Their joyful song a happy dance. Some wear feathers of golden yellow. Others show off shades of green, but all are welcome in the garden. A joyous sight to be seen. Their energy is boundless. Their spirits free and wild. Small colorful birds. A wonder to behold, and cherished child. Did you know? The smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird. This tiny bird is only about 2.25 inches long and weighs less than a penny. They are found in Cuba and are known for their iridescent feathers and their ability to hover in midair while they feed on nectar from flowers. Thank you for watching.